All right, so we're having some fun on our dirt bike. We're going to go around a corner. Hopefully nobody else is coming around there, but they did, and we very close call. Whoa. Now it's time to check our buddy. Let's get around this area, check on, or maybe not even our buddy, check the person. Now, if they got hurt, this is how we rescue them.
God damn, brother, that was fucking close.
Yep. Lawn fam, here we go, riding around. Are we gonna go too wide? Oh, no, they're gonna go too wide, and there goes our junk and genitalia and our face. Thankfully, we have a full face helmet, right? Spanking level 7. So we're going through here. It's an intersection. Definitely gonna be an orange stage. Handled it pretty well. Keep both hands on the handlebars. Make sure that you are paying attention to that. You don't want to be, you know, not ready for swerves. So we're going through the corner. It's an intersection. Oh, wasn't paying attention. Oh, hopefully you didn't get hurt. Now, roundabouts like this are a definite orange stage. So there's the frontal face impact, and we're just going to keep getting demolished by the motorcycle landing on top of us. So we need to rescue this rider. If you don't have the necessary tools, we have the rescue pack available on the stores in March, 15% off store-wide for everything. We got the training stuff. We got this. We got that. Ooh, lift it off him because that could cause some burning, could cause some issues. You see some tearing in the gear. That gear did its job. So just pick it up, and who knows? It could have been gravel. Could have been a loss of traction for braking. It could have been a lot of things, but it definitely was a loss of traction. So here we go. We're going through here. Oh, big impact. We just took off. Okay, we didn't even help.
This is
okay.
Same. Oh, fuck.
Oh, watch out. Gravel. Dirt. Careful. Talk to each other on your cardos so that you can tell your buddy.
It.
Yep, tell your buddies to slow it down.
Pull over.
Using your cardos. Yep.
Slippery.
Oh, no.
It's really slippery right here, man.
Oh, well, good job telling everybody. You're helping. All right, so lots of traffic. Watch out. Slow down. Ooh, good job on that progressive brake pressure. That's what it looks like. We didn't have a lot of total stopping distance. So progressive brake pressure stopped him. All right, Willie Anthem, lane filtering at a decent rate of speed. And by decent, I mean a little too much. Couldn't find the escape path. Now we hit 2 vehicles. Now you got to deal with insurance for 2 different vehicles, not including yours. Not good. So Tim Prelog, here we go, going through here. We got a blind corner. Hopefully no deer. There's the deer. Whenever I see a situation and setting like this, I think of deer. And that's usually what happens. The motorcycle squitter, here we go. It's a squitter. Squitter. Oh, got an uncommon thing. Found a great escape path. Got himself out of there. We talk about the plan method in our academy class. Make sure you guys join up. It's only $4.99, and you get like a 3+ hour training academy plus a bunch more. All right, so Tree-Con, here we go. What do we got here? Going a little off-road. Oh, you see how he's kind of leaning himself to the other side? This is a brand new rider. It sucks to have a mistake like this as a brand new rider, and the goal is to not make the same mistake ourselves, whether we're new or not. In pain. He's in pain. Rescue this rider. Rescue that rider, guys. Come on now. Our learner rider. Okay, watch out. Intersections. Oh, there's the blinker. What did you expect? Wasn't paying attention. So when you're brand new, let's go ahead and pause it real quick. When you're brand new, you're going through a really important stage. You got this cognitive stage, and that's what we're doing right now. We're learning in class what we're supposed to be doing, and we haven't put anything into practice. So once we start practicing things, then we start to associate the mind and the body, and it starts to make new synapses and start to work together. We get to a point, and what we want to get to is the autonomous stage where we're not even thinking about it. We're not even thinking about how to control the motorcycle. We're not thinking about how to navigate these things and plan our ride. What we're now doing is just focusing on strategy. Where's the car coming out? What's happening here? I'm seeing an indicator, but I know I can still handle the motorcycle. We need to get to that point. This person, as a learner, hasn't gotten to that point. Didn't even recognize that they're in a bad spot. They're probably just trying to navigate around everything. And look, the indicator, everything. Practice more. Practice in a safer environment until you start scaling up your skill. Don't rush to get on the road. So we got a vehicle wanting to come over. Typical situation here. I don't know what the whole point of this. He did a good job planning his ride and positioned himself out of that area because he located that hazard. Safayat Fahim, here we go. Going around. Oh, line of sight issue. We shouldn't have done stuff and accelerated through and just assumed things were clear. We needed to actually see it before we do it. Come on. It's okay, though. Mistakes are mistakes. This is why you have insurance. This is why you wear gear. Doesn't look like he's wearing gear. All right, so we're traveling through here. Got lights in our face, so that means they're in a wrong area. Uncommon thing in a common situation. Headlights towards our face, in front of us, not to the side. That's not good. That means they're in our path of travel. We're going to do nice little jumps. Lots of trauma incidents on stuff like this. Broken collarbones, broken backs, bleeding issues. Learn how to rescue somebody with our booklet. It's very inexpensive. 15% off in March right now. Yeah, just stay there. Make sure that the spinal column is in line. We don't do anything. So impatient Jake sounds pretty on point. Now we just high-sided and slid right into the curb. That is something that I've seen many times. And when somebody didn't have a helmet, the curb did its job and let the blood flow right to the drain.
I don't have a front brake.
You don't have a front brake?
This is not even my bike. It's my friend's bike.
What? Off to Tim's. Okay, so we're got good spacing here. Good spacing. We're gonna go ahead and pass. It's safe to when it's safe to do so. Ooh, we hit a bump. Almost crashed. Almost crashed. Oh, good job though. Handled it fine. Very interesting choice of an escape path. That is not the escape path I would have chosen. All right, going through here, we have another. Ooh, brake, brake, brake. Ooh, Indian Scout. Okay, we got to do some good progressive brake pressure, but remember, when we're in a red stage scenario, we need to be able to choose different things. We need to be able to swerve or brake or swerve, combination of both, but we need to swerve and get ourselves out of that situation. Intersections are definite orange stage. You did a great job. Saw that the person was going in their path of travel and applied good progressive brake pressure. AZ scoots, here we go. Watch out for this person merging into your lane. So you either accelerate out of it into an escape path or couldn't do it, so he decelerated with good progressive braking. Did not panic. Did a great job. Legendary Anubis again. Once again. Whoa, we got somebody going in and out, kind of being a dum-dum. That person's going to have close calls for the rest of their lives because they are not being smart riders like Legendary Anubis is doing right now. Let's see if Swiss is a smart rider. Got some braking, some hornage. That's not too bad. He's a smart rider. I'll stamp that.